You've probably heard someone say that drinking lemon water on an empty stomach works miracles, that it helps you lose weight, boost your metabolism, detox your body, improve digestion, and even strengthen your immunity. But is all of that really true? Is there actually scientific evidence behind this habit that's become so popular on social media? Or are we looking at just another one of those trends that spread fast, and that, when done the wrong way, can even harm your health? Well, today I'm going to tell you what science really says about lemon water, and also the main mistakes people make. And there's one mistake in particular, one that many people make first thing in the morning, that could be irritating your stomach and weakening your teeth without you even noticing. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you who should drink it, who shouldn't, and how to do it the right way if you want to get the most out of this much talked about habit. Now, let's get straight to the point. Is lemon water on an empty stomach good for you? Yes, it can be beneficial as long as it's done correctly. The thing is, there are no miracles. No single food will change your health on its own. But some habits, when properly guided, can indeed help your body function better. And lemon, surprisingly, is one of the most interesting foods in this sense. Lemon is an extremely simple and inexpensive fruit, but it's rich in bioactive compounds such as vitamin C, flavonoids, citric acid, and essential oils. These substances have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even immunomodulatory effects, which explains part of people's enthusiasm around it. But before you start squeezing lemon into everything, it's important to understand what's scientifically true and what's just internet exaggeration. Start with the real, proven benefits. The first major benefit of lemon water is its digestive stimulation. When you drink warm lemon water right after waking up, the citric acid in the lemon helps stimulate the production of gastric juices and bile, preparing the digestive system to receive food. This helps the stomach wake up more efficiently, and digestion happens more smoothly throughout the day. Many people report less bloating, less gas, and better bowel movements when they adopt this habit in a balanced way. In addition, the vitamin C in lemon increases the absorption of iron and magnesium, minerals that are fundamental for energy metabolism and immunity. Second benefit is related to weight control and metabolism. Many people believe lemon burns fat, but that's not true. What really happens is that the combination of warm water, mild acidity, and fasting stimulates the digestive system and helps regulate the feeling of hunger. You start your day more hydrated, your body balances its acid-base levels, and the digestion of fats and carbohydrates tends to be more efficient. Over time, this can indirectly support weight loss, especially in people who replace sugary coffee with this lighter, healthier practice. Study published in experimental nutrition journals showed that proper morning hydration is directly linked to better regulation of leptin and ghrelin, two hormones that control hunger and satiety. In other words, the secret isn't in the lemon itself, but in the habit as a whole. Hydrating yourself, awakening your metabolism, and preparing your body for the day. Third benefit is the most well-known. Its antioxidant and immune-boosting action. The vitamin C in lemon is one of the most powerful in combating free radicals, those molecules that age cells and increase the risk of chronic diseases. In addition, lemon contains flavonoids like hesperidin and naringenin, which help the body better handle inflammation and infections. In other words, lemon doesn't cure colds or prevent diseases, but it helps your immune system function better, as long as you have a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Now, this is where many people go wrong. Despite its benefits, not everyone should drink lemon water on an empty stomach. And this is the most important part of the video. So pay attention. The first group that should be careful are people with gastritis, reflux, or ulcers. Because lemon is acidic, it can further irritate the lining of the stomach and esophagus, causing burning, pain, or even nausea. Even when diluted in water, it still has the potential to worsen these conditions. Second group includes people with dental issues, especially tooth sensitivity or enamel erosion. The acidity of lemon can slowly corrode the protective layer of the teeth, which over time leads to pain, sensitivity, and even stains. That's why if you use this habit daily, the best thing to do is drink it with a straw and avoid brushing your teeth immediately afterward, because the enamel becomes more vulnerable for a few minutes. And the third group are people who tend to form kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones. Although lemon contains citrate, which in some cases protects the kidneys, an excess of citric acid under certain conditions can alter urinary pH and increase the risk of stone formation. In short, not everything that's natural is harmless. But if you don't fall into any of these groups and want to enjoy the benefits, here's how to do it the right way. The ideal recipe is simple. Squeeze half a lemon into 200 milliliters, about 7 ounces of warm water. Don't overdo the lemon and don't drink it pure. The concentrated acid can irritate your stomach. The ideal time is right after waking up, 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. That gives your body time to absorb the nutrients and start digestion gently. If you want to protect your teeth even more, use a metal or silicone straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. You can start by doing it 3 times a week and observe how your body reacts. If you feel good, you can increase it to 5 or 6 times a week, always paying attention to any signs of gastric discomfort. And of course, you don't have to do this forever. It's an optional, complementary habit that should go hand in hand with a healthy diet, quality sleep, and regular physical activity. One important point: a lot of people mix lemon with baking soda, turmeric, ginger, or other ingredients. These mixtures may have some isolated benefits, but they don't always make sense together. For example, baking soda neutralizes the acidity of lemon, which takes away part of its digestive effect. And turmeric needs fat and black pepper to be well absorbed, something that doesn't happen in a glass of plain water. In other words, be careful with miracle recipes that promise instant results. The human body is much more complex than that. If you want to enjoy a truly detoxifying effect, the best way is to help your liver and kidneys do their job. And they do it naturally as long as you eat well and stay properly hydrated. Drinking lemon water isn't a body cleanse. It's simply a mild stimulus that aids digestion and hydrates your cells. But over time, simple habits like this, combined with a good routine, can indeed bring lasting results. More energy, less bloating, better digestion, and a more balanced metabolism. Now, if this content helped you understand the subject better, I have a quick request for you. Click the like button, because that tells YouTube this video is valuable and helps it reach more people who need this information. Take the opportunity to share it with that friend who's always saying lemon water melts belly fat. Send them this video so they can understand what really happens in the body. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Here, we talk about nutrition, metabolism, gut health, sleep, and everything related to quality of life in an accessible and scientific way. And I guarantee you, with the right knowledge, you can completely transform how you take care of your health.